Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a class reminder for the beginner class that happened at the Kenn Centre on June the 14th. We did a first move, a step across, a hatchback and a yo-yo pushpin. Links in the description below for a more detailed teach of each of those moves. This is just here as an aid memoir of how everything went together. So it looked like this. Starting with the first move, we went 7 and 8. Back, in, twist, twist, turn, face, return, step across, went underneath, switched hands, and return for the hatchback, across the chest, spin, caught in the right, return for the yo-yo push spin, in, out, prepare, spin, catch left, return would allow you to go back to the first move. And that's it. Hope you find that helpful. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. In the windows that come up at the end there will be a music recommendation and something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.